So hello and welcome you all to Sail to MDS Dental Academy. I am Dr. Malay Trivedi, pediatric dentist and professor in College of Dental Sciences. So aspirant, before beginning with today's video, just want to tell you all that please take care of your health. COVID cases are increasing in like anything, so please don't go out. Meet as much as less people as possible because exam is approaching. A loss of 5 to 7 days can cost you the rank or can cost you the government seat. So please take care of your health as much as possible. So now aspirant, we are going to talk about NEET MDS 2022. All the information you need regarding what is in the prospectus this year, what is the scheme of examination, syllabus, how you have to fill the form, what are small things you have to take care, everything is there in the video. And at the end we have an important announcement for the students who are doing revision or want help in their revision process regarding the lectures or the past papers. So let's start with the video. First of all, have the important dates in your mind that from 4th of Jan, that is from today, you are going to get your form till your 24th January. So aspirant, please don't keep at the end like you're going to fill the form on 20 or 22. Just try to fill the form today only or in this week. Edit video will be available from 28th to 31st January. At the end of the video, I'm going to talk about that what all things you cannot edit. There are a few important points that are not editable. So please take care while filling the form. Final edit of correction of your photograph, signature, thumb impression is from 12 to 15 February. Okay, your admit card is going to issue on 1st March and exam is then the D-Day is on the 6th of March 2022 and the result on 21st March 2022. What are scope of NEET MDS? Remember, you have a two good important category here. There is an All India AIQ 50% quota seat and state quota seat. Remember, NEET MDS exam is required for AIQ 50% state quota seat for your deemed university and as well as if you want to go for the Army Dental Corps. Examination fee for a general OBC and EWS category is 4250 and SC/ST PWD is 3250. And one important note here aspirant, whenever you people pay the fee through any gateway, maybe through online gateway or offline gateway, try to have the receipt with yourself. Even if you pay via credit card or debit card, you are going to get one receipt that you have paid the money to the NB. Please keep that receipt. Have a printout of that receipt. Now eligibility criteria, so it's simple. Those who have completed the internship before 31st March 2022 are allowed to give the exam. And one important change for the Jammu and Kashmir student. Previous year they are not eligible for the AIQ 50% seats, but now they are eligible for the AIQ 50% seat as well as for the Armed Force Institute. Now, what are the eligibility criteria for the foreign national? Remember, they can write the NEET MDS without temporary DCI registration. Previously, they used to have the temporary registration, but now it is not required. Now, what are the scheme of exam? Remember, syllabus aspirant, please don't just focus on the past papers. As we know from last 3 years, hardly 15 to 20 questions have been repeated. So whatever the DC has prescribed syllabus, that you have to know. Okay, and remember, for correct answer you are going to get 4 marks and for incorrect 1 mark shall be deducted. So whenever you practice the papers, have an idea of leaving the questions which you are not knowing. Don't try to attempt 240 out of 240. Okay aspirant, that's why just reading is not important. The paper practice is important. And on our website mdsdentalacademy.in, we have made the paper in the same way as your NEET MDS exams used to be there. Now these are the division of subject and then marking scheme. So almost all the subject have equal weightage, and NB, whenever they prepare the paper, they try to 80 to 90% match this number of questions and marks. Now form filling aspirant. So remember, there are the simple step for form filling. First you have to go for the registration form, then your ID will be generated along with password. Then you have to complete the application form and you have to upload your photograph, scan signature, thumb impression. After that, choose your test city and pay examination fee. Then you have to go for the submission of the application. And please aspirant, take a printout of the filled application form with the transaction ID printed on it for records. Now I told in the beginning of the video, 4 things are non-editable. That's the name of the candidate. It should be according your registration or your degree. Then email ID, nationality and test city. These 4 things are non-editable, so please fill it properly. Then photograph uploading criteria, remember it should be 35 into 45 mm. Date is required, okay, and the size of image is less than 80 KB. So these are few important 3 points for your photograph uploading criteria. Now scan the signature, remember it should be in blue or black pen only. It should be around 3.5 into 1.5 centimeter, and here also the size of image is less than 80 KB. Then thumb impression is a 1.5 centimeter, 3.5 centimeter. It should be of the blue or black color ink pad, and here also size of image is less than 80 KB. Now aspirant, if at all any problem is there, I am there for you. But if you make blunders like non-editable things you are making wrong, then please contact helpline or mail them. Definitely they are going to help you. Okay, so please note this number also. And aspirant, please don't just focus on the fake website. Google, if you write NEET MDS 2022, n number of blogs will be there, but please try to see the correct website only. That's nb.edu.in, netbot exam website, and mcc.nic.in. everything I mentioned in the description box also. Then I told in the beginning of the video that we are with the master revision series, in which we have the flexible lecture timing, means you can download and access whenever you and wherever you want, along with the image based question. We cover all subjects in concise manner. Beautiful timetable I have designed. More than 2000 videos are there. Then we have more than 50 exams, subject wise exam, past papers, everything is there, and special preparation for the physio, pharmac and medicine. So this is the course feature. If anybody want to join, we have kept very low fee because of COVID-19 and student request. So you can contact me, and also you can check out the website, and you can mail me also. So these are my contact number, and also it is there in description box. So till then aspirant, take care. Any doubt, any help, I am there for you, and I am definitely going to help. All the best.